So you're a teenager with not much, if any, work experience, but you still need a resume. You're staring at a blank page and have no idea what to put on it. Actually, you've got more to work with than you think. You just need to know how to write it down. So let me show you how. Open a resume template in Word or Google Docs. A resume template is basically a blank resume that you can fill in with your own information and it already looks nice. You can download many templates on our website for free. I'll put a link below. Your resume should be one page. That's it. One page, easy to read, done. Here are the 5 sections you'll be filling in: contact information, objective statement, education, experience, and skills. Let's go through each one. Contact information. At the top, your name, phone number, email, and your city and state. That's all you need. You don't need to put your full address here. Oh, and a quick note on emails, it has to look professional. If your email is something like discordkin67@gmail.com, please make a new address before you send this anywhere. Go with something that includes your first and last name. If that's already taken, try adding something unique but neutral at the end, like numbers. Objective statement. This is 2 to 3 sentences at the top of a resume that answers who you are, what job you're applying for, and why you'd be a great fit for it. Keep it real and simple. Something like, I'm a junior in high school looking for a part-time job at a grocery store. I'm reliable, a fast learner, and I work well with people. I'm excited to gain experience and contribute to your team. Short, honest, and to the point. And it sounds like a normal person with a great attitude and not someone chronically online. No offense. Education. List your school, your city and state, and when you're graduating. For your GPA, only add it if it's high, like 3.5 or higher. If it's lower, just leave it off. If any of your classes are relevant to the job, you can mention those too. For example, if you're applying for a tech job and you've taken a coding class, put that in. Or maybe you want to apply for tutoring gigs, then list relevant courses you passed with good grades. When writing the experience section, your first thought is probably, what do you want from me? I've never had a job, what do I even put here? The truth is, you can put anything you've actually done, even if they're not traditional work experiences. It's all about being creative and showing how you'd be a good fit for the role, like babysitting or caretaking, walking dogs or pet sitting, a big school project where you had real responsibilities, being part of a school club or team, volunteering, helping out at a family member's business. All of these count, even if you only did these things for a short period. If you showed up regularly and actually did something, you can put it on your resume. For each of these experiences you list, include what it was, when you did it, and 2 to 4 bullet points about what you did there. Start each of these bullet points with an action word, then add a specific detail that shows the result or scale. These bullet points will be the main thing employers actually read, so spend more time writing them than any other part of your resume. Let's take a look at some examples. Babysat kids after school. Looked after 2 kids ages 6 and 9 2 afternoons a week. Picked them up from school, made them snacks, and helped them with their homework. Was in the environmental club. Helped organize a monthly recycling drive as club treasurer, kept track of the budget, and got more students involved each semester. Did a group project in history class. Led a group of 4 students on a semester-long history project. Divided up the work, kept everyone on track, and presented our findings to the class. Played soccer. Played on the varsity soccer team for 2 years, attended practice several times a week while keeping up with school. This might feel like you're exaggerating things, but it's not. Employers don't know anything you did unless you tell them, so make sure your bullet points are clear and detailed. You can find more example bullet points for all the jobs teens are applying for. Go to our resume examples page from the link below and just search for whatever job you're looking for. Babysitting, retail, food service, tutoring, even dishwashing. Use it as a reference and copy your info into one of our free templates. It's way faster than writing and formatting from scratch. Okay, the hardest part is over. Now let's sprinkle in some extra points. This is where you list specific things you know how to do. Concrete skills go here, not personality traits. Good things to list here include Google Docs, Sheets, or Microsoft Office, social media, especially if you've built up a following, graphic design tools like Canva, any coding or tech skills, a second language, CPR or first aid certification, driver's license if your job might involve driving. Skip things like hardworking or good communicator. Every resume says that, and it doesn't really tell an employer what they want to know. If you're hardworking, emphasize it through the metrics and achievements in your experience bullet points. Once you've filled everything in, read it through for mistakes. Do a spell check. Ask someone literate to proofread it for you. This is important because even one spelling mistake can leave a bad impression and cost you an interview. At this time, you'll also want to make sure everything fits in one page and the formatting looks good. Then save it as a PDF before you send it anywhere. PDFs look the same on every device, so the employer sees what you made exactly as it is. And that's it! You've got a resume. Turns out you did have stuff to include after all. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe for more, and leave a comment if you have any questions. We answer everyone. Almost. Or let us know what you're putting on your resume. It might actually help someone. See you next time!